Hi, welcome to Careerya, the podcast that explores the latest in technology and innovation. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're diving into the world of Salesforce AppExchange, the marketplace for Salesforce solutions. We'll explore its significance, provide examples of its applications, and even have a quiz to test your knowledge. Salesforce AppExchange is a vibrant and expansive ecosystem within the Salesforce platform. It serves as a marketplace for third-party applications, components, and solutions. It's an invaluable resource for businesses and organizations looking to extend and enhance the functionality of their Salesforce instance. So, why is Salesforce AppExchange so significant? Well, there are several reasons. First, it offers a diverse range of applications and components that cater to diverse needs, from sales and marketing to customer support and analytics. These apps seamlessly integrate with your Salesforce instance, reducing the need for extensive custom development. They also support scalability, meaning that as your business grows, you can easily add new apps to adapt to changing requirements. Leveraging pre-built solutions from the AppExchange can significantly reduce the time and cost associated with custom development. This is a win-win situation for businesses. It fosters innovation as well, encouraging developers to create solutions that address evolving business challenges. Now, let's take a look at some examples of applications available on the Salesforce AppExchange. Example 1. One popular application is Salesforce CPQ, which stands for Configure, Price, Quote. It streamlines the quoting and proposal process, automating complex pricing and quoting scenarios. Sales teams can generate accurate quotes with ease. Example 2. Another notable app is Pardot. This is a powerful marketing automation tool that helps businesses create, deploy, and manage marketing campaigns, track leads, and measure marketing ROI. Example 3. If you're looking for an application to streamline document management, consider DocuSign for Salesforce. It enables electronic signature capabilities directly within Salesforce, making it easier to send, sign, and manage documents while maintaining a complete audit trail. Example 4. MapAnything is a geo-productivity tool. It enhances Salesforce's mapping capabilities, enabling users to visualize data, optimize routes, and plan field activities efficiently. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quiz. Quiz. Question 1. What is Salesforce AppExchange, and why is it significant for Salesforce users? Question 2. Give an example of an application available on the Salesforce AppExchange that enhances marketing automation. Question 3. Which AppExchange application streamlines the process of generating quotes and proposals? Question 4. How does the AppExchange contribute to time and cost efficiency in the Salesforce ecosystem? Question 5. Name an AppExchange application that offers electronic signature capabilities within Salesforce. Question 6. Explain the role of innovation within the AppExchange ecosystem. Question 7. What is the purpose of MapAnything, and how does it enhance Salesforce capabilities? Question 8. Describe the main function of Salesforce CPQ. Great job! I hope you aced the quiz and learned a lot about Salesforce AppExchange today. It's a valuable resource for Salesforce users, offering a wide range of solutions to address specific business needs. Thank you for tuning in to Careerya. We'll be back soon with more exciting tech topics. This is Careerya, signing off. Until next time, we appreciate your support and engagement. If you enjoyed this episode and found it valuable, please take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Careerya. Your feedback and support mean the world to us, and it helps us bring you more content that matters to you.